Hello everyone, welcome back to Otis's channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to use the Instagram bot to boost your posts and increase likes for your Instagram posts. Okay, first, to do that, go to this Instagram bot. Go to the engagement boosting section. Then, on this side, we will choose the content to comment and boost engagement for your posts. Next, we will boost engagement for the link. Okay, next we will enter that link here. To get the link, we'll go to the post and copy this link. Back in the Instabot section, we'll paste that link here and save it. Below, we'll set it for likes, saves, and comments. After you've uploaded all these parameters, select the Instagram accounts and click Start. And that's it, you're done. See you again. Very quick, isn't it? See if you feel. Very quick, isn't it? That's all it takes, and we'll use around 700 accounts like these to engage with all your Instagram posts. If you find this useful, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share. And if you want to own this tool, don't forget to message me via WhatsApp and Telegram. See you all in the next video, and let's see how it works.